So we're on the delivery trail. Now we're at an office to see Ms. Miller. And let's do it. Let's do it. Hello, good day. Good afternoon. I am here to see him.
Okay, sorry. Go ahead.
That is what a shower. I'm here to see Ms. Miller.
Yes.
I have a delivery for you.
Ah, thank you. My package is here. Ah, that was so quick.
No, that's quick.
Yes.
All right,
I
good
wasn't
stuff,
expecting
good
to get it so quickly.
And your expression is killing me. It must be something really, really important.
It is.
It is. Okay, okay. But it's first time seeing you shopping. Is it your first time?
Yes. My
First time. First time. How long ago you've signed up? Or you're about to, I don't know, what's the
I
situation?
will sign up now if you like.
Oh, so someone sent it for you?
Yes, someone.
Okay, all right. Thanks for the referral. Yeah, she is now a new customer. She's going to be a new customer, as a matter of fact. She is going to be a new customer. You see how excited she is? We're excited. We're just as excited. No, we're ready to leave. You're too happy. I like it. So business is finished what today?
Yeah, long time.
Oh, business finished. Oh, okay. All right. So that's how it is on the delivery trail. Lot of excitement. She is too happy. I don't know what's going to happen for the rest of this weekend for her.